engaging the mind, body, and spirit. D49 Adapted Physical Education Coordinator Sarah Brockberg believes that anything is possible for her students.
The skill of bowling, it's a lifetime activity, and it's something that they can do with their families and friends.
I got stride!
Brockberg and her fellow D49 PE teachers have worked hard bringing adapted sports to the forefront in the district.
All of the lanes, except for the ones that are more advanced, have bumpers. We also have access for our kids in wheelchairs or in strollers.
And it shows in excellent teaching, encouragement, and kindness.
We've grown to 6 events, and just getting them in the community and involved in a team effort with their school and participating against each other.
And the students are excelling in every way.
The best part is bowling and then getting strikes.
Go for it!